Hello, Professor and class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of Excel's powerful features, data validation, to create drop-down lists to ensure that only valid data is entered into your spreadsheet. We will be working with an employee information data set, which includes employee IDs, names, departments, job titles, and locations. Here we have a table with some employee information. Now let's say we want to make sure that only valid departments, job titles, and locations can be entered in the table. For this, we'll use Excel's data validation feature to create drop-down lists for each one of these columns. How we'll begin is by clicking on the department. We want to click on the entire C2 through C7. Click on the Data tab. Find Data Validation under Data Tools. And then we're going to change the Allow thing to List. The source will be each one of our departments. So how we'll start is HR and then a comma for each one. And then finance, marketing, IT, sales, and operations. This way, once we press OK, each one of these individual things will have their own department. So therefore, nobody can enter another one for, like, let's say retail or any other department, for example. So let's say I want to change John Doe to finance. I can change it to finance. This way it keeps it organized and keeps things from being just out of the blue. So now we're going to do it for the job title. We're going to highlight D2 through D7, click on data, click on data validation, click list, and then the source. This one will be HR manager, financial analyst, marketing lead, software engineer, sales executive, and operations manager. So now we'll press OK. And this way, when we click on each one of these, they'll have their own list. So now we're going to do this for the location. Remember, data validation, list, and then this one will be New York, Chicago, San Francisco, Austin, Los Angeles, and Boston. So now we'll press OK, and now each one of these has their own drop down. To recap, we've applied drop down lists to the department, job title, and location columns in our employee information table. This ensures that users can only select from valid options, keeping our data accurate and consistent. That's all for today. I hope you found this demonstration on data validation helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.